This instant ramen bowl is my new favorite thing to cook. It's just so simple. So we're gonna open up our noodles, stick it in there, take out our sachets, and we're gonna add in some water. We want about 400 milliliters of water, something like that, which is about there. I have measured it before, but you'll get the hang of how much to use. You want it so it's pretty much covering all your noodles. Then we're gonna open it up and stick it in the microwave just for a couple of minutes. Boom. And while that's going, we can just start prepping our veg. So we'll chop this in half, get the end off. You just chop off a little bit there, and then that means it's got a shelf so it doesn't rock around as you're cutting it. And then we'll go boom into these little slices. So you can see, obviously I need to work on my knife skills a little bit, but that'll do for now for a quick meal. So let's grab our noodles. It does get pretty hot. And we're just going to quickly flip them over to make sure that they're cooked all the way through. Come on. There we go. Flip them over, give them a little wiggle so that it's all nicely under the water. And then we're just gonna stick it back in for another couple minutes. In it goes. And now we're gonna quickly do our spring onions. So for these, we're just gonna do little diagonal slices like this. And there's loads of other things you can use. I love snap peas, they're really good. Or some sweet corn. Like if you do some frozen sweet corn, obviously then you'd need to heat it up first. But I mean, all sorts of veg, anything that you can have raw is just great in this. So let's move this so we've got some more space, and there's a couple extra things we're gonna need. We've got our white wine vinegar and some dark soy sauce, which we're gonna add just to make the broth a little more interesting. And you can also use something like sriracha, that's great to kind of give it a bit of spice. But these noodles that we've got, they're already pretty spicy, so they're gonna be great. We've got 15 seconds left in here. Let's get everything else ready to go. So we're gonna open up our sachets as well. Beautiful. And out come our noodles. Let's be quick. Oh, damn, that's really hot. All right, so we're just gonna stick over our sachet. Over it goes, and we need our little bit of oil that it comes with. This is really nice, this stuff. I think it's like sesame oil or something. Although, it's quite a small amount. Yeah, sesame seed oil. And we're also going to add now our soy sauce and a little bit of white wine vinegar. So we're just going to mix this all in and make sure that we've got this lovely broth going on. Oh, it smells so good. I love these. I don't normally get these noodles. I just get the cheapest ones from Aldi, but these noodles are incredible. Stick in our carrots. You know, I've been making noodles for so long, and you know, I just don't mean anything too fancy, just having them as a quick meal. But this has made such a big difference, and we're going to add all of these actually, because I think it's important to get a good amount of protein with every meal. And now here comes our spring onions, which we're just gonna put over the top there. And yeah, we got a load of veg in here, and it looks delicious. So this is just super, let's put it this way. This is just a super quick meal to make, but you got a good amount of protein and you got some nice fresh stuff in there as well. So, I can't believe how quick this is to make. It's incredible. So we're gonna get a little, yeah, I'm not amazing with chopsticks. Oh, that's so nice. And then with the carrot as well. Provides a lovely little crunch. We've got these roasted salted cashew nuts. Again, more of a crunch, and they're kind of almost creamy. And the fresh spring onion is beautiful. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. I really recommend giving this a try. It's such a beautiful, quick meal to whip up, and it just feels like you're being nicer to yourself than just microwaving some noodles or just having something quick like that. It feels like a proper meal. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like this video, check out the one that's on your screen now. Peace.